Hello and welcome to a quick overview of error code check and remote support feature on My Measurement Assistant application. Today, I'm really excited to share with you how both of these features can enhance your operation and maintenance strategy for ABB measurement devices. At ABB, we truly understand the importance of reducing the time and cost for you, mitigating the risk, and ultimately improving the resource utilization. To access error code feature on My Measurement Assistant homepage, you just need to provide the device name, the error code number, and it will instantaneously give you what is the meaning of that error code, what is the cause and remedy of that particular error code. And this feature is especially beneficial for our self-service customers, as they don't need to spend time in looking for that information in our documents and manuals. And for the users who have My Measurement Assistant Plus subscription, they also get access to Genix Copilot, which is Gen AI-based chat feature, and they can ask the question for that particular error code in a question format, and the chat feature will provide the response instantaneously. And also, if required, you can also reach out to ABB experts via My Measurement Assistant application, and you can share the error code instantaneously on the platform itself. Now coming to the second feature, which is the remote support feature. This feature is available for our users who have measurement care agreement. There are multiple options that are available. There is phone support, there is visual remote support, and then there is remote access. All of these options provide quick remote support to the customers within agreed response time from ABB experts. In summary, both of these features, error code check and remote support features, are there to support you every step of the way, making your maintenance support smarter, easier, and personalized. For more information, please reach out to ABB support team, or I will also encourage you to experience it yourself on My Measurement Assistant application itself.